In front of me is Blackview A90, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Blackview. Firstly, go into Settings, choose Privacy and click on Permission Manager. Following that, just access one of your device's features like Location and pick an app. I will go with Maps or Keep Notes. Then select one of those options for this app by tapping on the best one for you. Allow all the time, allow only when using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with the first one, allow all the time, so when I go back, as you can see, Keep Notes app just gained access to this device location. But you can always select any feature and then tap on one of your apps, like Chrome. Now tap on See All Chrome permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!